This is going to take me forever. I wish there was an easier way to learn Excel and other Office programs.
Lynda.com.
Man, I wish I knew how to use all the functions with this camera, or even just how to improve my video and photography skills.
Lynda.com.
This is getting out of hand. I wish there was an easier way to just work on my time management skills.
Try Lynda.com.
Who's saying that?
Me, Vince. Lynda.com. Lynda.com. I told you 3 times already.
Oh, thanks, Lynda. Thanks. All right, I'll try.
Hi everyone, this is Vince from Vaughan Public Libraries. With our busy lives, sometimes it can be challenging to pick up new skills while keeping up with our everyday jobs. Using Lynda.com is an amazing resource for you to access free online tutorials in business, technology, software, or even creative fields. Here to give us a closer look at this amazing resource is my colleague Tommy.
Hello and welcome to the Vaughan Public Library's Stuck at Home Tech Tips tutorial video. Today we'll be going over how to access Lynda.com on a desktop PC. Whether you have a Windows or a Mac PC, the process should be very similar. So the first thing you're going to need to do is head over to the Vaughan Public Library's website. So right up here you can see the address, so it is vaughanpl.info. Once you see the landing site like you see right here, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the right hand side where it says Articles and Research. Once you click on that, it will take you to a list of all of our digital databases. To access Lynda.com, you need to head over to the L section to list all of our databases alphabetically. And after clicking on the L, you'll see the resources available right here. So next, we're going to head over to Lynda.com. So you're going to click right here where it says Lynda.com, and that will take us to the web resource. Okay folks, here we are on the Lynda.com landing site. Once you click on the link from the previous page, this is where it'll take you. You can see that there are a couple of fields here for us to log in with. If you click right here, this is where you'll type in your library card number. And then over here is where you type in your 4-digit library card PIN. If you happen to have forgotten your library card PIN, not a problem. If you go back over to the library website and click on My Account, there's a little button here called Forgot Your PIN, and with this and some information we can reset your PIN, and then you can use that new PIN to log in over here on Lynda.com. So once these two fields are populated, you'll go ahead and click on the login button right here, and you're off to the races. Once you've logged into the Lynda.com website, you'll be presented with the home screen. So I'll quickly go over what we're looking at here. So the big part right here is the popular learning paths and recommended videos. So these are videos and courses available on Lynda.com that are popular or are recommended for you as a user. Lynda.com will know how to recommend videos based upon the courses that you have already browsed. So if you have looked at courses about Microsoft Word, it'll start recommending different videos that are in that subject category. If you're brand new to it, it'll basically go about videos that are very popular in your area. Over here is a Continue Watching tab. So as you begin browsing videos and taking courses, it will list your most recently watched videos and courses. And you can also build playlists. You can see right here as I hover over these different videos, there's a little plus button that will add a course to your playlist, so you can watch it at a later time. Up here is a search bar, so if you want to search for a particular course, you can click on here and type in the software or skills that you want to learn. You can also click on where it says library or just hover over it, and it'll break down a whole bunch of different categories for you to look at. Up in the top right hand corner, we will also take a look at our user profile. So you can see your profile, which lists all of your personal information stored on the website. Playlists, like we spoke about before. History lists all the most recently taken courses and watched videos. Recommended will take you to a tab of different recommended videos based upon your browsing and course taking history. Certificates is a very handy feature. Basically, it will store all of your completed courses and create certificates based upon those completed courses. So you can print them off or refer to them as you need. Bookmarks are saved pages and courses, and of course the logout button when you're ready to exit the page. Okay, now let's go over how do I take a course. So let's take a look here and find something to take. Let's take a look here at this one here, leading projects. So when you're browsing courses, it'll give you an estimate. So you can see right here where it says 2 hours and 11 minutes. That's an estimate of how long it'll take to take this course or watch the video. Intermediate is the skill level. Views is how many people have taken this. And yesterday means when it was last updated. So clicking on this area right here will take me to the course site. And here we are. On the left hand side here, we will see the course contents, how the course videos are broken down. You can see all the different videos and guides available to the user and how it's broken up into chapters. The notebook feature allows us to type in notes and make notes on various videos. Right here is a preview window that will give you an overview of the course and allows the course instructor to sort of give you a sense of what you're going to be undertaking by taking on this course. Up here, we can add the course to our playlist or we can share it on our social media. Down here is the course information area. You can see the author of the course, some information about it, when it was last updated, when it was released originally, some of the topics that'll be covered, and some of the things we saw before on the preview window. Some keywords, so this is related to business and project management, and related courses. But some other handy things you can do, if you click on transcript, you will see a written down transcript of the video and any sort of speaking that is going to happen as you click on play on the videos. View offline allows you to download the course. As files will store any files that the course uses that it will ask you to work along with, such as worksheets, reference tables, or any other sort of miscellaneous files that the course author deems necessary. So once you're ready to actually start taking the course, all you need to do is simply click on a video, usually the very first one, to begin taking the course. As you begin watching courses, you can see a little eyeball icon on the right-hand corner of the topic there. That shows that you've already watched this video. So you'll know and be able to keep track of where you are in the course. And that, folks, is how you watch and take a course and use Lynda.com. Okay, folks, now let's take a look at how we log into Lynda.com when using a tablet or a mobile device. So the first thing you're going to need to do is download the app. So if you go to the Google Play Store or the iOS App Store, you'll need to search for Lynda.com and look for the icon that looks like that. Once downloaded, you can go ahead and click on the app and launch it. So once you have done that, you'll be welcomed with a screen such as this. This is the Lynda.com login screen for mobile devices. So what we're going to do here is click on already a Lynda member because you already are, because you have a Vaughan Public Library's library card. Here we are. You can sign in with a LinkedIn account, but what we're going to do is go over to where it says organization. We're going to scroll down to web portal and we're going to type in the library website. So we're going to go vaughanpl.info. And then select Login. You're presented with the home screen. The home screen is very much like the home screen from the web page, but with a bit more functionality for mobile devices and tablets. On the very top, you'll see your most recently watched videos, playlists for your saved playlist of videos, and below that, if you scroll down, you'll see some recommended courses. To search, you just need to use the magnifying glass icon right there. Click on that, and now you can enter search terms to find a specific course or software. By clicking on these little three bars here, you'll bring up the side menu. Home will always bring you back to this home screen. My Courses is a complete listing of all the courses that you've previously taken, your assignments you've completed, playlists, your course history, and your downloaded courses so that you can always take them even while offline. And library here will take you to a complete listing of courses from lynda.com, separated into various categories. To take a course, all you need to do is select a course. The course page is laid out very much like the website. On the very top here, you will see the preview video. Down below, you can choose different options such as listening to the audio, downloading the course, or adding it to a playlist. And beneath that is a listing of all the course videos. So you can see as you watch them, they will show the eyeball icon to show you that you've already watched it. And as you progress and complete the course, you'll be all set. So that, folks, is a complete overview of how to access and use lynda.com on a mobile device.
This resource is an easy and convenient way for you to improve your skills all at your own pace. Being able to search thousands of free online classes and tutorials is sure to bring your personal and professional skills up to a new level. As always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. We're going to be creating more videos like this that can show you how apps can make your stay-at-home life so much easier. From everyone here at VPL, thanks for watching and stay safe.